good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. I hope y'all are having a great day. If you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found us. I hope you enjoy what you see here, and I hope you stick around for future videos. We try and do a lot of unique Tesla content on here, like racing, drag racing, autocross, product reviews. So if that sounds interesting, please hit that like and subscribe, and I'm super happy to have you here. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world to me. You guys are the absolute best. One quick reminder, there's a comment pinned below with timestamps so you can hop through the video and view the portions most relevant to you. It is a balmy, wet, rainy Saturday, June 22nd. We are signed up for the second annual Unified Car Show and Driving Experience. Basically what this equates to is it is a fundraiser for the Special Olympics of Colorado, which is a great cause. One of the few that's really, puts all the money towards what it is supporting. So that is awesome. It's a car show and it is a racing event. So I'm just going mainly for the racing event, but maybe we'll check out the car show. I don't think a lot of people are going to show up considering it's raining, but you never know. My first time autocrossing last time was amazing. This is gonna be my second time, so I'm hoping we improve on that. Hopefully it breaks up and we get a clear patch of weather. Gonna rip the Tesla Model 3 around the track, hopefully get it sideways a few times. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure you stay tuned and we'll see you shortly. Drifting awesome. Got it. I've got somebody coming over. Gorgeous GT3. Got the dueling Evos here. Beautiful ZR1. And the sheriff's car. Gorgeous Skyline GTR. I haven't seen one of these in a long time. All right, so we just wrapped up for the day here. It is 71%. We started at 88. We did around like 12 runs around the lap. I only was able to record like 11 or 10 of them, and the timer glitched out on 2 of them. So there's a few that I don't have times for, but we got some pretty darn solid times. But anyways, we used around 17% to do 12 runs, which is pretty solid. Some of them were on track mode, some of them weren't. Alright, so we were driving back home here. I freaking love this car. It's amazing that you can just be ripping around the track, getting some of the best times out there with highly modded vehicles and very talented drivers. We're getting better and better, but it's amazing that you can just rip around these tracks and then go home and daily drive it like just a normal vehicle. Like, these cars are amazing. I have to plug Tesla. Just wanted to say that. It's just awesome. All right, so we just got back home here. That day was an absolute blast. We got to do like 12 laps around the track, which is just awesome. So as you kind of saw, it was like super rainy, super wet at the beginning. Apparently the weather gods decided to give us a break, gave us like 3 hours of sunshine and ended up drying up the course. So we were able to do some racing in the wet, in the rain, and we were able to do some racing on the dry pavement. We started off the day with my very first run being around 39 seconds. My fastest run on the wet pavement was around 37. Then we waited around for the pavement to dry up, and we were starting to get some really good times at the end. Unfortunately, my best time I didn't capture on video. One of the sheriffs there brought his kid along. He wanted his kid to come along, and of course, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm happy to give him a ride, and I did, and I was like, I'm not going to film this one. It's just going to be a fun run with this kid, and it ended up being my best time of the day. Damn it. Okay. Anyways, so my best time of the day was 34.1 seconds. So the best time of the day on the track was a 31.9, so basically 32 seconds, and we were at 34.1. We actually got 4th place out of everybody, which is awesome. Pretty damn good for my second time at the AutoCross track. It was an absolute blast. As I said in my very first drag racing video, I enjoy AutoCross a bit more than drag racing. Drag racing has reaction times and small things that you can do to make your car faster, but AutoCross really seems to level the playing field, and it requires a lot more skill, you know, in picking the best lines, picking the most efficient route around the track, hitting the apexes of the turns. We also got the Tesla Model 3 sideways a couple times, which was pretty fun. I know that takes a lot off the time, but it was a blast to get this car drifting a little bit, especially on that wet pavement. But overall, an absolute blast. I am head over heels for racing, totally addicted to it. So you guys are going to get a lot more racing content. Thank you to Chris again for the helmet. The helmet is dope, and it is Snell certified and beautiful for everything that I'm doing here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like and subscribe button down below. It truly means the world to me. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, I've got a lot of new content coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned, and we will see you next video. Good? Ready?
Yep, let's do it.
That was a little bit quick.
Woo! I can rock my window down, sorry.
You're good, you're good.
Ah. You got it. Yes. Wow.
It's still slick in here.
Yeah, it is. How do we do?
37,719.
Is that better?
That is way better. We took 2 seconds off. High five.
Way to control the car.
All right, we are getting a ride in the Sheriff Tahoe. This should be a lot of fun around the track. Should be a good time, but hopefully you guys can hear me. Sheriff.
Oh yeah, Chevy power.
All right.
Chevy power.
It's good. Oh man, all right.
Do you want to put it on the outside of the car or anything? Or
No,
just
it's
like
okay.
that?
That's all right. Thank
Okay,
you.
cool.
All right, this is going to be a blast. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You are very welcome,
This
man.
is awesome.
Thanks for taking Nate in your Tesla. That's
Of course,
a beautiful
yeah.
car.
It seems like he had a lot of fun, so.
Oh yeah. Yes, you did.
Oh, that's awesome. Got the laptop mount, the window thingies. Oh, this is great. Yes, the Sheriff Tahoe.
Just a little bit of body roll, huh?
Yeah, it definitely was like over and over again. That's awesome. It's so great you get to take this out like that, though.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Eric. I appreciate
so welcome.
it.
It was so nice meeting you.
It's great meeting you as well.
And I've got your number, so I'll touch base and keep in touch with your vlog and everything.
That
man.
would be awesome, man. Thank you so much. Yes.
Yeah.
Ah. All right. That was a blast in the Sheriff's car.